How to change hotspot password on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change hotspot password on Android phone. First, in open settings, and then you need to find here this one, mobile network. Click on it, and as you see here you will find mobile network password. Now all you need to do is just click this one, personal hotspot, and here you will find your hotspot password. Then click on it and remove it, and here you can type any password you want and then just click OK. It will be saved, and that's how to change hotspot password on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.